Today we'll be solving equations with like terms. Here we have the equation 4x plus 3x is equal to 35. If you look at that equation, we can't solve it using our normal techniques. Would I divide both sides by 4? Would I divide both sides by 3? Either way, I'm not going to get x by itself because these x are already in two different places. If you have your variable in different places, you need to first combine them. Now we remember from last year that I can add 4x and 3x. It's called combining like terms. 4x literally means x plus x plus x plus x. And 3x literally means x plus x plus x. So x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x plus x is 7x. Or I can simply add the 4 and the 3 and leave the x's the same. And this side I didn't change, so it's going to just be 35. Once I have combined my like terms, I get a new equation. This equation is easy to solve. I simply divide both sides by 7, and I get x is equal to 5. Let's do another example. Here I have 2x plus 5 minus 8x is equal to 29. Now my like terms are 2x, and this is a negative 8x. It's really minus 8x, but I like to think of it as a negative 8x, because then I can bring this subtraction over and combine these two. 2x minus 8x is negative 6x. This 5 is not a like term, so I can't add it yet. So I just write it on, is equal to 29. Now I have negative 6x plus 5 is equal to 29. This is a relatively easy equation to solve. This is a two-step equation. I'll minus 5 from both sides, and I get negative 6x is equal to 24. Divide both sides by 6. I get x is equal to negative 4. First step was combining my like terms. After that, it was a simple two-step equation. Here is another equation where I need to combine like terms. Now I only have x in one place, but my 3 and my negative 10 are like terms. The fact that they don't have a variable make them like terms. Since the x is already gathered together, it is possible to do this equation in other ways, but I recommend that you do it by combining like terms first. It is the simplest and quickest way to do it. So here I have a 3 and a minus 10. The 2x is going to stay the same, so I'm just going to write down 2x. And 3 minus 10 is negative 7, so I change that to a minus 7, is equal to 5. I have 2x minus 7. This is a two-step equation, relatively easy to solve. I add 7 to both sides, and I get 2x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 2, and I get x is equal to 6.